You're 2 hours away from me.
It'll be the best 2 hours you ever spent. Do you think maybe you can come out here this afternoon or this evening, or?
Possibly later on in the week.
Yeah.
Honda, van your Honda.
Hello?
Hi, Cody.
This is?
Hey, Cody, thank you for taking my call. This is Kyle from Honda.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the reason I was calling you, I just wanted to thank you for going to TrueCar and picking out that 25 Odyssey. What a nice choice.
Yeah, I was just doing so I could see the price. That's too much right now.
Okay, no problem. And then what are you driving now?
GMC Yukon Denali.
You know, we actually do pretty well with vehicles like that, and I think that probably would be something that we'd probably actually be interested in buying. Do you think maybe you can come out here this afternoon or this evening, or?
Possibly later on in the week.
Okay, cool. Like Friday, Saturday?
Possibly Friday. Just depends.
Around what time works good for you Friday? He's really looking at his calendar. That's cool.
I had to talk to my wife.
I tell you what, I'm going to sweeten this up for you. Those Denali's aren't cheap to fill up. You come down here, I'm going to fill your gas tank up either way. So worst case, you're getting a tank of gas. Let me ask you this. If I had the perfect vehicle for you, you're like, oh my gosh, I want to buy that, and I was giving you the right amount of money for your vehicle, the Denali, what would you do? If you're like, this is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
I'd probably trade in.
All right. So I'm very confident we'll do that. I know we're going to be able to get the perfect deal. What would you need? What would you want to do?
A low enough payment, right price, low miles. You know, and I don't want to go with any hybrid. I can tell you that.
All right, cool. No hybrid. Got it. Yeah, let me know Friday, Saturday. I'll send you some stuff. And I know it's a long drive. We'll have to accommodate for that. We'll see you Friday or Saturday. I'll send you some links, sir.
All right, sounds good.
Appreciate you. See you soon. Thanks.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.